What's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing amazing. Today this is like I'm still peeling, but as you can see, I don't have much scars anymore. I still have blackheads, but I don't have that much. I mean, I have a little bit of scarring, but it used to be thick and huge. And I still have peel. I have to peel all over here, and then here I have to peel. But anyway, today I'm gonna actually do a mask, one of those sheets. I love them because they're like easy to apply. And I'm gonna do this mask. And I actually got this at Marshall for $2.50. And I like them because they're like on the go, and it's like easy to use. And I also got this little machine for $2 after the quarantine, and when things started to open again, they actually put a red tag on everything. This one was $1.50, and this is for my under eye, and it comes with this little packet here and this little roller, and it's like this here. So we're gonna do this, and I'm gonna show you how I applied my mask. And this actually helped me stay young. I don't think anyone would ever dare to guess my age. And yeah, I look like I don't know what I look like, but I know I don't look my age at all. This here. Now we're gonna go apply the other one. Here. I always put it like closer to my eyelashes because it helps. I don't know, like it helps with the wrinkles. I like wrinkles in men because it shows a sign of wisdom. I don't like men who keep getting fillers, because there's a lot of women out there who loves to get fillers and they don't even look like their age. I don't know what they look like. They don't look young. They look older, but their age doesn't have any wrinkles. I guess they're trying to compete with the younger generation. I don't compete. So we're gonna take this, and then actually another thing that I do, because I smile a lot and I have laugh lines, so I like to apply those there too, which helps me plump it up a little. So before I use the roller, I'm gonna do this actually. Apply here. I mean, it's perfect, you know. That way, once I'm applying the roller, then I have to worry. Like, oh shit. No. So this way. This is like perfect, you guys. Maybe I need to apply this a little bit closer. This like this here. It doesn't have to be perfect. As long as you have it here, it's fine. And then I take this, and then I just go like this, just to make sure that the product goes deep. And be gentle, because you know, it's your under eye, so you're gonna go as gentle as possible. Yeah, there's a lot of women who apply fillers. I was just getting a filler, and you see the dark thing that I have under my eye. I don't know what they put in there, and my eye turned dark, and I'm like, I would never do this thing again. was behind it. It wasn't something that that happened. Someone actually that I know did that, call the company and apply different things under my eye, and I'm like, I would never do this again. But you know, people do things because they were vicious, and we let the universe deal with them. And then I also like to do this just to make sure that the product goes deep in. And then you can also listen to your meditation music while you're doing this, like I'm doing right now. Just be gentle when you're doing this. And then I'm done with this. I just have to wash this and put it back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take one of these masks, the sheet. It comes in here. Just gonna go ahead and rip it. We're gonna apply this. I love this. And even like when you're like, you know, when you're on set, like for those people who like, you know, who's applying makeup when they're like at a movie set, it's best to have these. Then every time you have a little break, you can just go and apply this. 20 minutes, you apply this and your skin, you know, will look amazing. We're gonna do this. Oh, this is amazing. It smells so good. This is like divine. You see what I did? I applied the first thing first, and then I'm like applying this now. Keep this here. Doesn't have to be super perfect, you know, because some of us has our face is smaller than the other, and these sheets are huge. So yeah, I'm gonna have extra sheets in part of my face, but that's okay. I'll take this here. And make sure this sits properly. This is like my shower cap. Save money on fillers. And one of the reasons that I don't apply any fillers on my skin, on my whatever, and I left my wrinkle just the way it is, because I don't know what's in these fillers, and I don't know if it affects the pineal gland, if it blocks the pineal gland. So I'm just like, I'm not taking any chances. And we're gonna take a little, see, this liquid here. I'm gonna make sure we apply some of these liquids here. Right here. In the forehead. We're gonna put the rest in the forehead. Whatever you do, be gentle, be gentle, be gentle. We don't put anything on the eyelid, but we're gonna make sure that the eyelid gets some of this juice, you know. We're gonna close the eyelid. We're gonna go like this. Some people think these fillers make them look young. No, you don't look young, you look weird. You know, people can see your age. I think psychologically people think that because they have fillers and people cannot guess their age. Yeah, you don't have wrinkle, but that doesn't mean people doesn't know you're an older lady or an older man. But it takes a while for people to get comfortable in their own skin, and insecurity is something that most of us are dealing with. So I'm gonna let this sit until it's dry. Sometimes I actually fall asleep with this. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, guy. This is what you get for today. And like I said, this is good when you're on a set. If you're an actor or a model, it's good to carry these little things on set. I mean, it's not, you don't even have to tick the box, just carry these. It's like you're a single packet, and you can get different ones. Like this one is a different one than this. See? And this is not used for you to carry around. See? I love this little ruler here. Okay, hope you guys are doing amazing. Bye. What's up, guys? I'm back. This is what my face looks like after the facial. Yeah, no worries about my hair. My hair is like a mess. Anyway, this is what I look like. As you can see, I look all fresh and new. There is no makeup. I'm not wearing any makeup. I try not to wear any makeup anymore, and that's the reason. The main reason I actually did the peel, because I don't want to wear makeup. I want to be as natural as possible. So this is my face. As you can see, I look all. You see, the laugh lines are like they're a little filled. So, yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, share, and comments if you want. Don't leave negative comments, leave positive comments, because you know we're trying to build something positive. If you don't like what I'm saying, just move on somewhere else, but don't leave negative comments on my on the channel. I mean on our channel, because if it, I mean I'm talking, but you guys have a say as well. So again, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and since my channel is for kids, I'm not sure if you have to press the bell button, but if you do, there's a little bell next to the subscribe button. Press that, and you will get notification every time that I upload a video. You'll get notification that I upload a new video. So I'm on the street. I'm gonna go get something to eat. Bye.